friends, I'm Sudhir Saini, your product group manager for PG1 parts in Tata Motors. My work is to promote and market engine and its peripheral parts. Today I want to talk about newly launched part under SLCV range, and that is Durafit Glow Plug. This Glow Plug we have brought in Tata Ace range, Xenon, Super Ace and Zip Iris vehicle. So going further friends, I'll be talking about its technical specification, feature and its benefit. So to start with the technical specification, it works at 12 volt. In a time of 3 to 5 seconds, it attains a temperature of 800 to 850 degrees Celsius and maximum it goes up to 1100 degrees Celsius. The high voltage stability time is 30 seconds, which makes it a unique glow plug in the entire market. And now if I talk about its feature, so this glow plug is made up of Inconel 610 grade tube. So this tube which I am talking about, so this helps in attaining a temperature at a very low period of time, and this temperature remains to a very high level for a longer period of time. So this is the quality of this tube. If I talk about housing and its casing, it is made up of alloy and zinc coating is being done to make it corrosion resistant. And if you pay attention to this small black color rubber seal, it is made up of high quality heat resistant material which does not allow air and moisture to get in and which acts against the short circuiting of the glow plug. Friends, if I talk about the internal periphery of this glow plug, so it is made up of 2 regulating coils and 1 heating coil at the tip or at the end of this glow plug, and they are joined by the laser welding so that it does not move from its position and continuously give its performance. And finally, this regulating coil is filled with magnesium oxide, which is one of the unique feature and important feature in Tata Motors glow plug. With that magnesium oxide, to a very great extent, it acts against the short circuiting of the glow plug. So friends, this was something that I have shared was about technical and feature and benefit of this glow plug. One more important aspect I want to touch upon, and that is the failure mode, which normally happens in the market, and customers say that when we purchase the Tata Motors glow plug, it gets failed easily. I will say a big no to it. Why? There are certain reasons and which are generally seen in the market that because of which the failure happens. So the first and topmost reason is short circuiting. So the short circuiting happens when the glow plug timer is defective, or it allows the continuous voltage beyond 3 to 5 second period of time. Now if glow plug timer is correct, then we should look at the wire harness. If the wire harness is giving below voltage, that is also not correct, and if it is giving higher voltage, again that is not good for the glow plug. Now if the wire harness is also correct, then we should go back and look at the relay. So that relay is of 12 volt or it is of higher volt. If again it is of higher volt, again it will make a great impact on the glow plug. Finally, sometimes we see that on this glow tube there is a rust that gets embedded on this glow tube. That mainly happens because there is a defective head gasket, or there is some leakage in the head gasket. And sometimes it is seen that there is a carbon formation on the glow tube. That mainly happens because there is some problem in the injector or injection of the fuel in the engine. So friends, if we look at all these technical aspects and if we work upon all these failure mode and know how to get rid of them, we can really get the actual performance of glow plug made by Tata Motors. So friends, I hope that with the confidence which I have talked to you, the same confidence you will show in purchasing this glow plug and fit into our vehicle and give the best services to our customer.